So in this tutorial we're gonna learn about how to import image inside the HTML file. So to import HTML file inside HTML, so inside the body tag you must indent a image tag. So I'm indenting image tag with img. Generally we use indenting tag of images img. So then we must define the source of our image. So inside the source, inside the inverted commas, you must give file name dot file type. So here it is screenshot space brackets 34 dot png. So must not forget to give the correct name, file name and file type. So we need not to give another tag to close the image tag, so we can directly close it here only. So no need of typing another image tag and then closing it with another tag like we did it for like body tag and head tag. Okay, now let us open the website and see. When we are opening our website.html file, you can clearly see that it is occupying the whole space, so it is not like convenient. So to adjust it, we can introduce two things which are inside the tag. So which are must be after the source, which is width and then height. So basically the width and height are nothing but width and height of the picture what you want to link in your HTML or import. So in width and height you must give the values in pixels. So I am giving width as 100 pixels and height as some around, I'll give 40 pixels. Okay, I gave them and I am saving it and I'm opening the website.html. So when we open that, you can see the image is not convenient or looking nice because the aspect ratio is not maintained here. So to maintain the aspect ratio automatically, you can save the width in hundreds, like 100 or 200 or 300 etc. It automatically adjusts the aspect ratio for you. No need to give your height again to maintain the aspect ratio. Basically it is the thing. So okay, I am giving width as 100 pixels and just leaving it as same, and then I am opening the website.html. So you can see it has got the same aspect ratio, but the image is looking too small. It is looking like compressed one. So I'm gonna change the width as 300 pixels to increase its size, so make it look better. So here also you can clearly see that aspect ratio of our image has been maintained. So there is no any problem in maintaining the aspect ratio. You must remember that you must give in width of in hundreds, like 100 or 200 or 300. And then let us see whether if our image has been deleted. So there is a thing called as alternative which saves our image in the alternative. So okay, now let us open our web page. So no, nothing problem, it is looking like same. So okay, what if you wanted some pictures from the website? So I want to give this image. Okay, I want to give this image in my HTML file. I want it. So I must do the copy image address and then paste it in my HTML tag. So to do it, you must give that thing not in the source. You must define it in the another tag. So you must delete the source. I don't want that image now. So we must tag anchor tag. So in that, in href you must paste the whole link and then close that alternative tab. So over. So you can see that in a website webpage.html. So there is a screenshot. Whenever I click on that, so it will open the image of what I want. So you can do it like this also. So you must remember that if you want any image from another website, you must introduce the anchor tag. So thank you guys.